Welcome to build a chat application with Flutter and Firebase. My name is Hussein Mustafa and I'll be your instructor in this course. If you are an aspiring Flutter or Firebase developer, then this course is a must for you. In this course, we will be making a complete chat messaging application powered by Flutter and Firebase. Our application is going to have all the features of a modern messaging application, such as authentication, a beautiful UI, ability to send media messages, and much more. In this course, we'll take a deep dive into Firebase. Our application is going to make use of all of the core services provided by Firebase, including but not limited to authentication, Firestore database, Firebase Cloud Functions, as well as the Firebase Cloud Storage. Furthermore, we will employ techniques during the development of our application to optimize operational costs and maximize performance, because that's how real-world applications should be. Finally, if you're new to Firebase, this course features a complete crash course on the inner workings of Firebase. We will learn how to send and receive data, as well as listen to changes to our data in real time. We'll also extend the backend capabilities of our application by employing cloud functions triggered by changes in our database, and in turn create a robust backend for our chat application. We're going to go more in detail than any other course. You'll learn how to make engaging, attractive, and production-ready apps with the best that Flutter and Firebase has to offer. Throughout this course, you'll get access to Udemy support through which you can contact me or other students taking the same course and discuss any difficulties you might be facing while developing this application. I believe that the best way to learn something is by doing it, and that's why I decided to create this course. No matter what skill level you are, this course has something for you. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and I'll see you in class.